today is the freaking day we are installing the kit for the R1. I finally made the time to finally put this kit on. There's a lot of stuff I had to do first before I could do anything else. I had to do all the priority maintenance on the bike, so then I can just mainly focus on the main part, which is going to be the kit. And today is the day. But first, I will be at work from like 7 a.m. to like 2. And then from there, my homie Oscar is going to be coming over to help me put the kit. We're going to do at least half of it today, and then the other half tomorrow. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Hopefully everything's going to fit together, and you know, there's a lot of things that we need to get done too. So once I get home from work, give that a quick bath, dry it up, and then from there just start working. So I have no idea what I'm going to be starting with first. I don't know if I want to start from the tail or I want to start from the front. I don't know yet, but we are going to put the kit on today. So yeah, I'm excited. Finally get to do it, man. I'm excited too. I'm very excited. So I will see you guys in a bit, okay? See you guys when I get home. All right, what's up, everybody? So I brought the bike. We're doing some before shots, and then from there we're gonna do some video shots of it. I'm waiting right now for the homie Oscar, and then from there we're gonna start taking it apart and putting on some of the body kit today. So yeah, so I'm gonna have fun real quick. All right, I just came back from my house. I'm too lazy to take off my helmet, but I just finished taking the first set of photos and also a first set of videos for the before shots of Chi-Chi. So Oscar said he's gonna be here in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Where is he? There he is. There he is.
Pack talk, didn't you?
Huh?
Did you get a pack talk? Oh, I thought you got one already.
Sockets. All right, which one do I need? Okay, so I just need 3/8. I think that's about it. I think it's all I need, huh? Right?
Thank you.
All right, well.
If you just taking off the fairing.
We're here now, back at my house. Everything is set up. As you can see, we're about to start on the dismantling. Trying to figure out exactly where do we want to start. Should we start from the tail, get rid of the hard part now, or should we start with the easiest and go for the front? I mean, basically all we're taking off is just this part, turn signals, the front header, definitely the freaking all this here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Replacing this part. Alright, so far, let me get it in focus. We're taking out the sides of the bike. Oscar already got the left side out. He's already working on that part right there. So that's what we're doing right now. So we're working on the front. We both decided we're going to work on the front. Take out that first, since that's going to be the easiest. And then after that, hopefully we can take out the tail. And yeah, so let's keep going. Alright guys, quick update. Look at that. We got...
Built ourselves an R1.
Yes, we did. We got the head off. Where is it at? There it is. There's the old piece. Now, we're going to start putting on... Oh, don't use the bolts. I need those bolts. The new head. And then as long as we can get the new head in, everything else will be easy putting in. So, we'll check back on you. Alright, we finally got the head on. This took a fucking while. But Oscar and I fucking did it. And then Oscar helped me out with the other. Sorry, I know you can't see it. Engine bolt. That freaking engine bolt. But he is my Lord and Savior. Now we're putting those small pieces, and then we're going out. Oh shit. Alright, man. Be safe. There he goes. As for me, I do appreciate Oscar helping me out. We did, like I said, we put the visor, the windshield, the head on. Now I'm trying to put the actual mid fairings on. It's a little hard right now because, for one, some of the parts don't even fit. And I'm not trying to use some of the old ones, you know what I mean? But if I have to, then I have to. But yeah, pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on it, and then from there, most likely gonna start up on it tomorrow morning. So all right, but I'll catch you guys later. I need a break. I'm hungry, so I'm probably gonna go eat with my mom. So woo.